So you know they say you never get a person's true emotions like the second time around. So I'm about to take y'all into this rehab property out here in Allen, and I'm meeting with my HVAC guy. And I'll tell you the story after. It's just a long story. He's an awesome guy doing an awesome job, but I hadn't seen him in a while, so he hadn't seen this new Benz. I'm just gonna keep it real. So I'm gonna see what they say when they see the Benz. So check it out, come through. We're at a real estate investment property in Allen, Texas, and it's going down. See what he got to say about what's going on. I think I saw him in the window a minute ago. Nah. All right, we got the best HVAC man in the world, Marcus. Tell us what's going on in here today.
What's up, man?
What's up? Let's say what's up to the world.
What's up, world? We getting the heat on.
We getting the heat on, man. It's time to eat on, man. Marcus, walk us through, man. Tell us what's that in your hand?
It's the vent. It's the vent. We getting the vents on.
All right. Remarkable air. You see that on the back? Let me see the back of that shirt again. Turn around. Changing the air you breathe. Wow, that's amazing, man. Where you at right here? So these vents, this is a vent right here too, right?
Yeah.
You put that there?
Yeah.
What is that called?
That's the return air vent.
Return air vent. Why do you need that?
Oh, that's where your air gonna get filtered at.
So you're supposed to change those filters, right?
Yeah.
How often?
Every 60 days.
Every 60 days.
Yeah.
Word of advice, ladies and gentlemen, every 60 days, you're supposed to change the filter in your air return. So if you're not doing that and you're coughing and you're wondering why you're coughing and you're having these complications, you can change the air you breathe if you change the filter you need. Hey, man, let's go. All right, so what's up? What else we got going on? Let's go this way.
Well, ain't that nothing?
You ain't got nothing in here? Just the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay, take us to the back. Take us to the back. Show us what's up.
I got my assistant there,
Okay.
But yeah, he's doing. And
What you doing in here?
all we doing is putting the vents in. We out of there. That's all. The heat's on. All we gotta do is put the vents in, and we out.
So give me some information about HVAC. Heat, ventilation, air conditioning. How long you been in HVAC?
Over 10 years.
Over 10 years. You consider yourself to be pretty good?
Oh yeah. Professional. I wouldn't be able to do it if I wasn't.
How many units have you installed?
Hundreds of units.
Hundreds of units with the S.
Yeah.
So you're really good.
Yeah.
You got a number if people want to get in contact with you?
Yeah, you gonna put it in the bio?
No, you're going to say it. It's going to be on the video.
Yeah, 214-732-6830. Look, Keith gonna have all the information in the bio.
Oh, man, you just gave them the information, man. I'm trying to get them straight to you, man.
Yeah.
That's it, man. Marcus, hundreds of units, air conditioned units all around Dallas, Fort Worth, man. You do commercial too?
Oh yeah, commercial, residential.
What about the condenser outside? Did you install that?
Yeah, that's already ready.
Let's check it out. Can we check it out?
Yeah, we can check it out.
So what type of refrigerant you using these days? So what makes the air cold in the house is refrigerant, right?
No, taking the humidity out the house, all the heat, and changing the comfort level inside.
Okay.
Refrigeration don't do that, just take the heat and all that.
So tell us about this unit right here. What is this? How many, I know it goes by tons. So how many tons is this?
Yeah, this your standard 3-ton, 16 SIR Linux condenser, heat pump.
Heat pump?
Yeah, because it's all electric. So it's all electric. So this way, when it's cold outside like this, it's more efficient.
Okay.
So you're not burning a lot of kilowatts and a lot of electric.
So that saves you on your energy, on your electric bill. So this house is an energy efficient house.
Yeah.
You do this in every house?
Yeah, that's the standard for Texas.
What's the standard?
High efficiency.
Okay.
So all the houses are going to get a high efficient unit.
Okay.
So there's nothing but high efficient units.
That's all that's remaining in supply to be sold. And you say something about less kilowatts.
That's what they sell you on your energy. When you go sign up for your electric company,
yeah,
they said they tell you it's 16 cents a kilowatt.
16 cents a kilowatt.
And that's how they get you, because you're gonna be burning about a couple thousand. So it keeps it low, so your energy costs low, and you save money throughout the year.
Right.
Yeah.
That's necessary. How long does it take to heat a house like this? About 15, 16, 1700 square feet with this is a 5-ton, right?
Yeah.
How long it take to heat this house with this 5-ton unit?
Well, see, it's not about how long, it's about maintaining comfort.
Okay.
You know, so
it's not about how long,
yeah,
it's about maintaining comfort.
Yeah.
I like how you put that.
Yeah, the house gonna maintain the comfort throughout the winter, and then it's gonna reverse, you know, in the summer. You're gonna have your same cooling comfort level as the winters and the seasons transition. So yeah, it keep you comfort, so you can come in, sleep, you know, do your family things, and you know, enjoy your house. That's why we go all high efficient.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's good to know, man. We're giving out wisdom, y'all, right here on Lakeith Buys Houses and Land. That's my man Marcus HVAC, right here in Dallas, Texas. Remarkable air, changing the air. What's the slogan?
Changing the air you breathe.
He pointed at me. Y'all didn't see that. Changing the air you breathe. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need. So get in contact with Marcus at Remarkable Air. He is the man, HVAC. We've been doing business for quite some time. How long has it been, Marcus?
It's been about 10 years.
Nah, it ain't been that long.
It's been about 2013.
Damn.
God damn, think.
It is about to be 2023.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's what's up, man. Lakeith Buys Houses and Land. And I got experts to give out expert advice about expert situations. We all want to know how to stay comfortable in the winter and comfortable in the summer too. I just gave y'all some good information. Well, Marcus just gave y'all some good information on this show, House Money. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I do not know what it is you're waiting for. And if you got a deal, let's make it real, man. Lakeith Buys Houses and Land. And I keep them comfortable all I can. Man, I'm a rapper. Hey, click the link below and let's go, man. I'll see y'all later. Lakeith Buys Houses and Land. Thank you.